Hey everybody, so some of y'all might be wondering why I hadn't had a video out in the last little bit. So my editing software actually messed up on me, and I don't know exactly when it'll be, but I'm looking around right now trying to get my stuff, find something new that actually works for me. I had a video I was going to put out, but then when I went to edit it up, I noticed my editing software that I was using started glitching on my computer, and I've been looking around for the last little bit trying to testing stuff out, and so far nothing's worked right for me. So hopefully I'll figure something out and get y'all a couple videos out. I'm gonna try to get out and do some camping and stuff, but yeah, I'll figure something out. So thanks everybody for watching.